Hello,
Yeah.
welcome. We got the Chan clan together again. We're playing PlayerUnknown Battlegrounds. This is the Flare Gun Metal Rain event. We only have 21 hours left, so let's get on our way. We are going to join another group of 4 as we go to Erangel to find flare guns and take on care package. Everybody ready?
Yep.
All right,
Yep.
let's go. Let's see if we can find one flare gun tonight. If we
That's
find
one.
it,
Out of every single one.
I'm gonna like shoot it at someone. All right, let's see who joins us tonight. Oh, here we go. Loading up. I'm in. Who else is in? Snowstorm's in. Light storm. Row, we got a zombie. Rewrites her.
Oh wait, before we go on the plane, where are we going?
Let's see. How quickly do we want to die?
You wanna go this place? I don't
You want to go right there? Oh, who wants to go to Stabler? That's too far. No. Let's go to somewhere in the middle. That's going to be pretty quick. Malta? Who's clicking down there? Oh, dude, we already had... We have some
know.
dude
Alright,
bailing
go
out.
Melta,
Let's go, Melta. Melta.
I think most of the people are gonna go to Pochinki.
I think we're pretty clear.
OK OK，見到想就倒嘛，咱開輛專家。
Yes.
Is that English?
That is not English.
China number one.
Oh, China number one! 你讲国语啊
China number one.
China number one。
China number one.
I found a US.
可以说中文，为什么要说英文，兄弟们？
Oh dude, yes.
因为我是美国人。
因为中国人的英语都比美国人要好啊。
I feel you, man.
我是中国人啊 My English is perfect.
Yeah, my China a little rusty.
Your Chinese is a little rusty or your English is a little rusty?
OK。
Either one is fine.
I'm just glad we have good Sino-US relationships and China number one.
Yeah, all that matters. China number one.
China number one.
"兄弟们，你们可以把自由卖起来。
Ooh, hello, friend.
Where's my house? Get out of here.
Almost took you
先说
down.
嘛，那个6号啊，那个6号兄弟。
Whoa, dude, what are you saying?
He's number 6, number 6.
He said that his stomach is growling. He must be hungry.
Oh, I thought you were in a plane or something. Oh, I found US, 2 US.
Has anybody picked up a flare yet?
Zone's pretty far.
I haven't even found a flare gun. I just, we've been playing this since last night.
I've never found a flare gun before.
Yeah, that's crazy, huh?
I've never played an event before, so.
Oh, you knew?
Oh yes.
I've never seen a flare gun.
I mean, we see people shooting them off and then usually just kill them when they're, care package drops, so their supply drops. Dead giveaway. Dude, snowstorm,
Yes.
you're breathing.
Oh shoot, you're already in here. My bad, my bad.
Oh, I hear. Got something coming in. Behind us, actually.
There's a car over here.
How many seats?
Oh, 4.
4-seater, huh?
I found a 6-seater.
There's 6-seater cars? There's no 6-seater cars.
Yeah, that's the
Yeah.
van.
Oh, they put the van
That's
back in
an
here?
awesome map, though.
Gas?
No, it's the US. US is a 6-seater.
There's somebody heading for you. Know that.
Wow, nice soundboard.
More gas. Gas.
That's my 3-year-old.
Oh shoot. My bad. I thought that was a soundboard.
No, that's my 3-year-old. We have a whole clan here. We have the Fury clan, yeah.
What is he, like, sitting on your lap or something?
No, he just came up here to watch his bros and me play.
Okay.
He's giving him pointers.
Anyone got red dot sight?
I have a holographic that I'm not using at the moment.
And
Which one are you? I'm number 5.
I'm Blazeman Fury.
So you're green.
So you're pretty far away. Like, okay. Never mind, no, you're not.
Gas.
Oh, yeah, if you just run over here, I can give it to you.
Just meet up when we go to the cars.
Where are the cars?
I'm pretty good on loot.
Oh,
What about you guys?
Any car.
There's a little car over
Okay.
here.
Got,
I have a Mr. Bean car over here.
Does anybody need a
pick them up?
compensator for SR?
Wanna pick them up? Wanna pick them up? Wanna pick them up?
Wow, 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 wow. Where are you going now?
I don't know.
We're driving to the
Let's go to
zone.
George Pool.
I have the holographic.
yeah, it's right there on the ground.
Where? Oh, thanks.
Alright, got room for one more. Let's go to George Pool. That gets us smack dab in the middle.
What about me?
You'll have to join up with the next car.
Here.
Oh, here, there's a car here.
I'll drive it to them.
Here, Dave. Lightstorm, come to this one.
Yeah, there's another one down there.
That one, what? That one doesn't seat 6.
Gotta go in.
Yeah, but it's better.
How about those two
Yeah,
down there,
this-
Blazeman? That seat 6? You sure that's seat 6?
Yeah.
How does that seat
Oh,
6?
see?
There's a bag.
There's a bag.
Oh, really? Huh. Alright, let's pick these dudes up then. Mr. Bean cars.
Let's start going. The zone.
Alright, I gotta pick up these guys though.
What are you seeing now?
Wait.
Jump in.
Yo, chill, bruh.
Dude, jump in. Team money.
Ah,
Wow,
Other
wow,
way,
wow.
other way.
Lightstorm, let me drive. Lightstorm, let me drive.
Yo, guys, other way.
I know, we're picking up team money. Alright,
你们的
let's go to
英语
George
这么
Pool.
好，兄弟。
Alright, here we go.
Alright,
can I use first aid
Is that me?
I don't know.
just in case
There's another
I might
car
run
over
into
there.
crazy driving?
Might.
Should we switch cars? Let's switch cars.
Lightstorm, stop.
Let's get in that car. All right. Well, you guys get in that car. Let's take 3 cars. Let's go.
Hey,
Vroom,
wait,
vroom.
wait.
Let me drive.
Can I use a first aid?
No.
Later, dude.
Oh shit,
Just-
Blaze Fury.
just-
Yeah, they need to.
Don't
About to die.
Yeah. Don't jump out.
Lights on.
There's a car behind you.
Drive.
There's a car behind you.
Let me drive.
What?
There's a buggy behind y'all. I don't know if it
Don't
turned
worry,
left.
T-Money. I'm a pretty good Uber driver.
Nice. I don't have any cash, so.
It's okay.
Oh, hey, there's a flare up there.
Just show me some stuff.
Don't go to it.
Should we ignore that flare?
Yes.
Whoa. Like peeled out there. Mr. Bean.
I don't got any scopes, so.
Ah, this handling. I swear they changed the handling on these cars. Oh, hey, we got company.
There's a car up front.
Oh, hey, let's run these guys down.
Oh, run him over.
Oh!
Boom!
Look at this.
Boom! Take that one down. Take that one down.
Oh.
Oh, there's another one.
What the fuck?
Oh!
Read white SZSR. Can I get?
Oh, that's our guy. All right,
read
nice.
white. Can I get? Can I get? Thank you.
Is it got dead up there?
Oh, dude, we just took out another squad pretty tightly. Just ran them all over.
Oh my goodness, that's so lit.
Uh-oh. What's going down? Oh, you just finished them off?
Coming towards you guys. Coming towards you.
Where? Use the number system. Oh, hey, we got the blue zone. Jump in.
Behind the tree.
Go, blue zone.
Oh no.
Oh, behind the tree here.
Get me up, 6.
Alright, right. Coming.
Alright,
Shoot.
good. We're good.
Alright, I have a first aid.
We're
Nice.
almost there.
Alright, that's okay.
Okay,
Alright,
quick.
use first
Put it
aid,
up.
and then
Are
get
we
back.
going? Are we going?
Let me take my first aid.
Is there a suppressor for an AK?
Okay, come on.
556.
Snowstorm, hurry up. Get in.
No, sorry, don't raid. Come on, hurry up.
We gotta get in the zone, dude. Come on, man.
What is this? Clash of Clans?
Loot.
Loot. What do you call it?
A piece of candy.
But you can do some funny driving with motorcycle.
Alright. Whew.
I gotta fucking heal.
We need to take. Or is that? I don't know who that is. T-Money is healing. Alright.
Yeah, I had to take a first aid.
Oh,
Swish, man.
there we go.
We didn't take any damage.
That's because I got skills. Mad skills.
Oh! Oh!
Snowstorm, you got any like med kit, something?
No.
Oh, I got two.
I got
I
four
have
first aid.
one.
Alright.
Buggy?
Go to that hut.
You guys, somebody want the buggy or no? You guys want the buggy? Oh.
Because I go,
Alright, go.
Green, come here.
Oh, hey.
Med kit
Mike.
for you.
What are you guys doing?
Need the
Hey.
med kit.
Wait.
Wait, get back in. Somebody, there's too many of you. There you go.
Yeah, I dropped the med kit.
There's too many guys in this game.
Wait, stop. Dad, stop.
This load is
Or-
too many.
Dude, look, let's just...
Wait, what?
What are we doing?
Whoa. He's
Where
trying to pick up a
am
med kit.
He got
Where'd
it.
it go?
Oh, what was that noise? Let's go.
Come on, boy.
Yeah, come on, boy.
Green,
What's
let's
the
go.
what the fuck's the number?
China number one.
China number one. Watch the language, please.
Yeah.
All right, we're going to George Pool here. We're trying to get to George Pool.
Hey, Yellow, are you good on loot, bro?
Number one fighter 型头城啊
Number 1 is me. You want med?
I don't even know what you said, but yeah.
Have med, that's what.
OK，我这边药很多。
All right, we're into the. All right, what do we got here? We're into the.
Are we going to the marks?
we can't you fight one
Do you want to go to the? Do you want to go to the? Let's see. We could just go. Let's just stay in the crates here. You want to stay in the crates?
Yeah.
Are you
It looks like the play zone's gonna close in this area, so.
I'm gonna get on top of this roof.
兄弟你可以好好开车吗
I drive pro. There's got to be people here, but whatever.
Get you done?
I see how it is.
Let's try.
Going up. Got an SKS 4 times.
Well, actually, you know, they left an 8x scope here, so I doubt it. I don't know.
Right inside the warehouse.
Yeah, well, I just picked up an 8x scope, so I don't know if
and they
they.
left some painkillers.
I don't know if they actually. Oh, you can't put an
They
AX.
left an entire gun.
Oh, that's brilliant.
You mean it wasn't in pieces?
No,
Yeah, dude.
Gas cans. What do you want to?
Why?
I'm not seeing movement anywhere.
Why can't you put an 8x scope on an M16? Yeah.
Because it's considered an SMG.
Could you used to? No. But you can't you put it on an AKM though?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
You can.
That's weird.
I got
Yeah, 'cause
AKM.
it's an AR.
Oh, movement. North 10, going across the street.
North 10.
I'm coming
Oh, there's a car over there too.
Snowstorm.
Yeah, they're across the.
Snowstorm.
They're across the road over here. Going.
Snowstorm. Can I get first aid?
They're behind the little tower over here on the other side of the road, or the creek. In the
Alright.
houses.
Do any of you guys have like a 4 times for me?
Poppy.
I only have one. It's on my SKS.
No.
Alright, I see him.
fine,
See him,
fine.
see him. He's got a ghillie suit. Ghillie suit.
I have an
Oh,
extended
fuck.
mag if anybody wants it for AR.
Hey, rewrite. Let's see. How far are you? Fuck. Yeah, rewrite. They're like behind you.
Want a pistol? Can I have a pistol?
Alright, you see the green roof house, the far one, behind the tower over here on the other side of the road. They're in that house. At least 2 of them.
Where's your car? I want to try.
Oh, that one?
Plug in.
See it.
Let's see.
Isn't there 2 of them?
Dude, it's hobo
You
guy.
don't even know where you guys are, so.
Somewhere like right here. That's where they're at.
Over. Home man's.
Yeah, there he is. He's in the only far window you can see from right here. See who's just next to me. Yeah, Snowstorm.
Where's your car, Dad?
Do any of you guys have like an 8 times or something?
No, dude.
You know
Aw,
it's
man.
time to drive.
Ooh, I almost popped somebody coming up those steps.
Oh my goodness, dude.
They're shooting at us. They're shooting at us. They're shooting at us.
Oh, what is that?
Wait, where are they at?
They see the green roof house behind the radio tower or whatever that is across the creek,
Yeah.
the river. They're in there.
Oh,
in that
and
first window
wait.
on the corner of the house.
See it? It's in the
Alright, that's
sky.
all I need.
I see him. I see him. I see him. I see him. He's
Ow.
peeking.
Do you see that shit?
Alright, looks like
Shoot,
our
they have good scopes. I only have a 2
Yeah,
times.
he's drilling me. He's drilling me. He's drilling me.
our play zone's gonna end
Oh,
up
yeah.
closing near the ruins here, so we're not gonna be able to stay here.
Where's your car?
He's inside there behind the wall, like on deeper on into the house. Is that
Dad,
right?
where's your
He keeps
car?
peeking around.
Oh,
Oh, wanna rush him?
Oh, he's across the creek. There's
dying.
the river right there.
Blazeman's
Help
getting.
me.
Yeah, well, why is Blazeman dead? What happened?
Oh no, dude, he has an MK.
Two of you guys are
Oh,
down.
shit.
3 of you guys are down.
Crawl over this way. You need to crawl over this way.
Wow.
Revive you. Oh, he's getting me. He's getting me. Come on, guys. Y'all gotta get off of here.
Wow, don't.
Y'all gotta get out of here, cause I'm not
Goodbye.
gonna revive you.
Help
right
me.
Goodbye.
No, like I don't dead.
How'd you die?
Headshot.
Oh boy. Hey, we're getting shot at.
here.
Snowstorm. Gotta go run.
Hang on. I gotta fucking. Oh, son of a bitch!
Oh my. We're trapped. We go to the
Okay, so we're done here then, right?
All
We
right.
have no teammates over here.
Let's bail. Oh, we're getting shot at. Drive. Oh, bro. You know there's a river right ahead, right?
We're screwed.
All right, we're going to ruins.
I'm jumping. I'm crawling off the edge
No,
of
you're
this.
in a circle.
You're not gonna kill me, you fucker.
Oh,
All right, let's get out here.
how are we gonna get broken?
It was good playing with you guys.
All right, thanks for the game. Oh, I hear somebody, dude. We gotta go crawl into a bathroom and hide.
There's only 4 people in the game.
Ah, that's not even an entrance to a house. What kind of cheap house is this?
1, 2, 3.
Doesn't even have a door.
This door's open.
They've been 1, 2,
It's okay.
3,
We'll shoot
4,
somebody inside.
5, 6, 7, 8. Then a few died. We don't have 8. We have 4.
I hear lots of popcorn around here.
Pop up.
Should we go to that creepy church?
Yeah, go to church. Go church.
Take me to church. Oh, somebody's sniping us.
In Fortnite, I would have built some walls already.
Oh, somebody's sniping.
Zigzag.
Take me to church.
To ride in a church. Hide.
Try to spot him.
Try to spot him.
Got any painkillers?
Got any painkillers or energy drinks?
Nope.
He's a sniper rifle.
I got nothing.
Go to the top.
Up to the top.
Feel amber.
How do we go up to the top? There's no staircase here.
Over here.
It's like crappy church. Oh, great. Now they're shooting at us. Oh, crap, man.
Watch out.
Watch out.
They have a line of sight there.
I see him.
I see him.
Where?
Behind
Hands
the
down.
tree.
25.
25.
Behind the tree.
Behind the tree.
Fly
Across the
back
river or in front?
In front.
In front. He's right by us.
up. One guy died.
Can't see him.
One guy
Are you shooting at him? Is that you?
You got a flare gun. I know.
Yeah, he's shooting at people.
Ghillie suit.
You know.
Oh, dude. Oh, guy's at our entrance doorway.
Crap.
And we died.
It was who's this guy?
That's our last bro. He's doing the bathroom strategy here. Nice. He's just gonna hide. All right,
He's in a 1-room house.
Guy.
let's exit the lobby. Everybody exit.
That's our last guy.
Yeah, we died.
And then been the last guy.
That was the last guy, huh?
Yep. Do you want to join anybody, Ken?
Settings. Where do I go?
All right, thanks for watching this round.
Can you hear me?